So I'm very excited to be here today with you. So as he said, 11 years now that I'm in the local politics of Yeruham, 3 of these years as the mayor in the town where I was born and raised, and 4 generations, to the past, my family is there. During the past 3 years, I'm especially asking to create new economic fields after the traditional industry is vanishing from the landscape. And I want to be at the technological forefront. I want to be where we are leading, and how the hell are we going to do it in the heart of the desert? So what we are trying to do every morning again is turning our ground resources, our air resources, our sun resources, and especially the wonderful human capital that we have into products that we can monetize for the defense industries, for companies at the beginning of the way, for anyone who understands that the only opportunity of the innovations nation to continue thriving is in the periphery of Israel. The academy is already here. Here you can also see the technological units of the IDF that we were all told lately that are finally on the ways to the south to us. All that we are now have left is to believe and act, in practicum and not only in theory. And in this hall today, we have dozens of people with us who are already leading with us this UAS drone field. Amongst them, CITYMs, the MOD, Alon Highway, Mafat, who have started working with us, who have started all this dream with us, basically, BGU and many others who are joining us every day. Together with them, we have started what you see here today behind me, this experiment, this national experiments field for UAS and drones that will be held, created in Yeruham, and I must give credit to everyone, people who used to work in high-tech in Tel Aviv and, had a vision and came to us to start this electronics division with specialty of UAS. And the technological achievements are amazing by the students of this man, made me as the leader of this town to dream big and to believe that Yeruham could lead this field soon. His students will go back home after service in the technological units of IDF and join the 3 engineers that are already living in Yeruham and working in leading positions. And together with many of you, they will work, I hope and I pray, and will lead the forefront of technology. Today is the 47th anniversary, for the memory of the biggest, greatest leader of this country, David Ben-Gurion, and it is a very good reminder for us for what we still have left to do, but especially to remember that in the Negev, the people, the nation of Israel, will be tested, will be examined, as he said. And we will meet you tomorrow at the second day of this important conference that for the first time will take place in Yeruham. But Alon has already promised me that next year, this session as well will be held in Yeruham. Thank you very much.